The 2000 Ford F-150 5.4 liter supercharged V8, Zeal exhaust, Flowmasters, headers, 350 horsepower. Outside view. It's a good bit loud. That's all the video I'm gonna do. It's just a video on revving it up. And it is warm, by the way. A little bit. Oh yeah, that's good. See that right there? The bottom one. But oh yeah, and the Flowmasters do have holes in them, so reverse, neutral, drive, 2, and then 1. So I don't know. Put it in the drive. That was 2. We can do this again. There we go. There we go. And then park. Drive. That. Hear the supercharger belt squeaking. Well, that's really it. I was just going to make a video on cranking it up, revving it up, and stuff, but it is cold outside, but the truck is warm, so it's got good oil pressure. Oh, yeah. But that's pretty much it on this video.